Jeep Grand Cherokee Misfire. This is how to get to the bottom of it. We're talking about a V6 petrol Pentastar. It's the same engines also in the JK Wranglers, not the 3.8s. This is just the 3.6. It's never ever plugs and coils. It could be, but it's highly unlikely. We often get these towed to us from other shops who've already put plugs and coils in. First things you need to do before you start stripping engines down, do yourself a compression test. Do yourself a cylinder leak down test. Once you've identified your cylinder that's in question with either low compression or you've got a cylinder leak down problem, you can go and have a look. The most common issue that causes a misfire in these is the cam lobes wear out. This one's actually okay. This is apart because of a blown head gasket, not for a misfire. But you're looking for these lobes to be worn so low that the lifter can no longer rock the rocker, which is connected to the wristwatch, and open the valve. So you'll get misfire codes. Usually these things will tell you which cylinder, so you know where to start. Don't just go and shotgun plugs and coils. They are also common for breaking a valve spring. If that's what you've got, you will have high compression readings, but you'll have a cylinder leak down problem where you won't be able to see the valve opening at all because the spring's broken. So it's not plugs and coils. It's either this or broken valve springs or burnt valves.